I got my anus, my minus.
Shut up and sit down.
Yo people, welcome back to the hardware review, and we are back with Aspire. This time we're taking a look at the Mynus. I had to stop, for some reason I've got my anus stuck in my head. The Mynus, it is a Vapourless disposable pod. Yes, it's something a little bit different. Well, I'll tell you what I put together. There's not that much to show you, but I wanted to show you around the packaging and how it actually comes. So have a little look at this. It's less than a minute, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about it. So, the Mynus from Aspire. This is going to be a very, very quick look round, and I've just realised the way I've actually put that out. This is what they look like, and this is how the packaging does come. If we can focus into it, it tells you it is the Mynus Vaporus Technology. Now, if you just have a little look, I'll have to have a look with my glasses on. That's the actual ingredients that you get on there, and it is wick liquor that's actually in there, the juice. You've got your warnings on the back again. Got all your warnings, kite marks. So we're just going to open it up how we would do. I'm sure there'll be a little, what do you want to call it, that you... pair of scissors time, there we go, that'll make it a bit easier. It's all foil sealed. Look at that, that's little bro all over, isn't it? I've just not cut it far enough down. That's me all over. There we go, and this is how it comes out. Now this one, let's get it out. Oh, you can smell that. The black one is the mixed fruits. There we go, that's the packaging. So you do get a user manual with it. It comes with a little sticker over the back. Now that's on the airflow. So if you just get all of that like that. There we go. And then that just covers, that's the airflow at the bottom, if you can just see it. You've got your kite marks, and don't vape it in a bin. Tells you it is, I might be a bit better showing you on a, I think the roll is bad. The Mynus Vaporus Technology. There's your mouthpiece on the top. Is it a bit better with the red? Yeah, it's a bit better with the red. Your mouthpiece on the top. So remember, you take that off, that's where your airflow is. And it does look like a ginormous plectrum, like what you'd use for your guitar. So like I said, the black one is the mixed berry, and you can really, really smell that. The red one is the tobacco flavour, and the grey one is the ice menthol. And that's what they look like. So that was the Mynus. Yes. Does look like a plectrum, doesn't it? It really does look like a ginormous plectrum. I have got the glasses on, because I'm going to read you what's actually in it. And it's really small writing and I can't see. I'm turning into my dad. It has got dilutants, which is 78% USP. I can never say this. Propagolite. I can never say it. Flavorings, 20% natural and artificial. And it's also got USP nicotine at 2%. 20% nicotine. So it's not Nick salts. Now, the juice that's in there is wick liquor. I love the Boulevard from wick liquor. Really, really good. Now, it's got a polymer body. It's got a 1,000... Sorry, not 1,000. It's got a 150 mAh battery in there. 1,000 mAh. 150 mAh battery in there. A 1.8 ohm coil. It's got 0.9 mil of e-liquid. And they're saying you're roughly getting between 50 and 100 puffs out of it. Now, what it's there for, it's got Vaporus Technology, and I'll show you that first. See, there's vapor there. Once you inhale it, then it's not there. I don't know if you've ever done it yourself before when you've got a pod system. If you do that and then you do like a sort of double inhale, you don't blow any vapor out. Now, it is a mouth to lung. Now, with it having 20% or 20 milligram of nicotine in there, and it's just normal freebase, it is really, really harsh on your throat. And it's like now, I feel like I've had a coughing fit. yeah, really harsh on your throat. I wasn't too keen on the tobacco. The menthol was okay. My favourite one out of all of them is the berry. That berry does really taste nice, but it's that harshness. It's a proper throat hit on the back. Now, I can see what the idea is. It's stealthy. I don't know, if you go into the pub and you're not allowed to vape in there, you can just stick that in your hand. Nobody's going to see it, are they? No vape or anything like that. You're in cinema or you're on a train and you need that nick hit, then that's what it's there for. Now, I did check on the website. You can't get any lower than the actual 20 milligram. Maybe it'd have been a bit better if it was 10 milligram. I'm not sure if there's any reason why they couldn't have used nic salts in it, but with it being freebase, it's a really harshness on the back of your throat. Remember, taste is subjective, but you could proper feel that on your throat. Maybe some people might like that throat hit, but me personally, I don't. It just doesn't feel nice. The whole thing feels well made. I think they're roughly around about $5.99. Like I said, they're not there to be your full-time vapor. They're there to something where you're going to nip out, or if you're at work, or if you're in a hotel room. You know, like when we've all been at the Premier Inn. Jules Mama Vapes, she knows all about that. You're not allowed to vape. You've got the fire alarms. It's going to go off. I can understand what they're there for, but it's really harsh on your throat. So this one isn't for me. Big shout out to Aspire for sending it out for review. You know what to do. If you've liked the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. The subscribe button's in the corner. Get a little press again beside new magic number. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, people. Go and hit me up. And there's one last thing to say, and I can't obviously blow no vapor. Keep them juices flowing. Don't forget to check out my latest video. Also, don't forget to check out 3 Men and a Vape Show live at 8 PM every Wednesday. And also, if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, ring that notification bell, and we'll catch you later.